Hey guys, in this video we're going to be fixing the error in Discord, which is awaiting endpoint. So this error in Discord typically indicates an issue with connecting to Discord service. So the first step is going to be, of course, checking if the Discord servers are even up. So go to the Discord status, as you can see, all system operational. If there are any issues, they will be indicated by red, as you can see partial outage in here. So as you can see the red here, 23rd of September, partial outage for 2 hours and 49 minutes. If this didn't help, go ahead and restart Discord. So go to your Windows and close out of Discord. Also, if it's still present in the tray, right click on the tray and close it as well. Also check if your internet connection is available and working. Also, you might want to disable VPN or proxy because it might interfere with Discord. So if you're using it, try disabling it. Also, you can try changing the server region. So let's go to the Discord. So this is the sample channel that I've created. So go to the added channel and in the region overdrive, set the region to any region you want from the drop-down menu. Also, you might want to try flushing your DNS. So for that, open up the command line and type in ipconfig/flush DNS, then press enter. Hopefully this helps you, and then after that restart your computer. And lastly, you want to try deleting Discord and then install it again, and hopefully that fixes all of your issues. If you need further assistance and these steps did not fix your issue, it's always a good idea to contact support. Other than that, hopefully this helps you guys. Like the video and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you very soon in the next one.